Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you an unboxing of my first Thrive Market order. And if you're not sure what Thrive Market is, they're an online grocery store. They have a lot of different items that they carry. They have food, meat and seafood, wine, vitamin supplements, beauty, bath and body, babies and kids, home things, and things for your pet as well. I ordered my items on Saturday. My order shipped on Sunday, and today's Tuesday when I'm filming this. And that's when it arrived. So I am really happy with the way that they've processed my order and how fast it got to me. I do remember reading online, I think on their Facebook page or on their Instagram page, that some people were experiencing shipping delays, and I think they've arranged like certain like store hours, and they're prioritizing orders based on location. So my experience may not be yours. But if you are interested in in trying out Thrive Market, I do have a link below where if you use my link and sign up, you can save 25% off. I do get perks if you use my link, so you're by no means obligated to use mine, but I do appreciate your support if you choose to do so. So let's go ahead and get into the items that I purchased. Everything was shipped with lots of paper. I already took everything out just to make this a little bit easier and a little bit faster, but everything was wrapped up really nicely. I'm not missing any items in my order. Nothing came damaged or broken, with the exception of like the coconut water, but I'll show you that in just a minute. So I'll go ahead and start with the home items first. First things first, I ordered some more dish soap. This E-Cover brand is my favorite. The one that I usually get is the geranium one. It has like the red cap, but recently I haven't been able to find that at my local grocery store, so I had to get the fragrance free, which is totally fine. Some people don't like or can't use things with fragrances, so this is fragrance free, and it's my favorite dish soap. It leaves my dishes super nice and like squeaky clean and shiny, so I highly recommend this dish soap. And a lot of the items that I purchased from Thrive were on sale, so that was a bonus. Another cleaning item is this all-purpose cleaner from Better Life, and this is the pomegranate scent. I have one that I use all over my house, and my sister really likes this, so I actually purchased this for my sister because I haven't been able to find it at my local grocery store or Whole Foods, which is where I purchased mine before. Next is the body care item for myself. This is from Italia. It's the Everyday Shea body wash, and this is the lavender scent. I'm really on a lavender kick recently, and you'll see that in some of the items that I have here in my box. Next, I purchased a couple packs of these Stallmates fragrance-free flushable wipes. So these have been really hard for me to find at like Costco and things, and these are like a must. I love having these flushable wipes. They're great for like toddlers especially, which I do have. He's not a toddler anymore, he's 6, but little kids. So I got 2 of those. And then also for my bathroom, I purchased this Citrus Magic Lavender Air Freshener. I've never tried the lavender scent. I didn't realize they had other scents. I've only ever used the original citrus one, which can be a little too heavy in the citrus, so I wanted to try this one out. Also for my bathroom, I got this all-natural bamboo charcoal moisture absorber. It's a room deodorizer and dehumidifier. It's just like a little black pouch that you can like hang like in a bathroom, in a closet, pretty much anywhere where you are concerned about moisture or like smells and things like that. So I got 2 of those. And the last home item I purchased is another hand sanitizer, and this is the Dr. Bronner's lavender hand sanitizer. I haven't used the one from this brand before. The one that I have is from EO, the lavender one, and I really like it, so I figured I would pick another one of these up just to carry in my purse or to have in the car. So let's get into the food items. I'll start with granola. This is Nature's Path honey and almond granola. I love granola. I like to eat it with milk, kind of like cereal. My son loves this as well. It's great for like yogurts or smoothies or anything like that. So I picked 2 of these up. I also picked up 2 packs of the Thrive brand coconut chips. And again, I really love these with like yogurt and things like that. I purchased some items here that are going to go great with this coconut, with these coconut chips. And what I'm talking about are some fruit powders, dried fruit powders. This is acai powder, and I also picked up the dragon fruit powder. So I'm going to use both of these to make smoothies, and specifically smoothie bowls. I've been looking at a lot of recipes online. I've been really interested in making smoothie bowls. I have a lot of like frozen fruit in my fridge, in my freezer, that I want to use up, and I thought that would be a really fun way to use some of that fruit and have something fun to do with my son. I also purchased some black chia seeds. You can use this in a lot of different ways, but I mainly got it to use in like drinks or like these like smoothies and smoothie bowls. Next, I purchased some sprouted quinoa. I don't normally buy, I think, the sprouted kind. I'm not sure. I just get the kind from Costco, the big bag. And this was on sale, so I figured I would pick one up. I also picked up some goji berries to go with those smoothie bowls that I want to make. Here I have some sunflower butter, which I purchased for my son. He used to have like PB&Js and things at his after school program, and I thought this might be a fun little surprise to get him some sunflower butter. I've only really ever eaten peanut butter, and I think I've tried almond butter, but we'll see if it's any good. I also picked up 2 cans of organic coconut milk, and this is just the regular coconut milk. I think they have like a light version, I think. Another canned item that I purchased is some pumpkin puree, or just organic pumpkin. And I've been really into like baking and things right now. I just got a KitchenAid stand mixer like as an early Mother's Day present. So I've been trying to find different ways to use my mixer. So I've been wanting to do something pumpkin, and I picked that up because it was on sale. I also purchased 2 of these little Zico coconut waters, and like I was saying earlier in the video, this one came with the bottom open, but it doesn't seem to be leaking or anything. It must have just in transit, you know, loosened up the bottom of it, but it seems to be just fine. I also purchased a little pack of cinnamon sticks because I'm running low, and I love cinnamon sticks. I use it to make a lot of different beverages, and my husband likes to use it when he makes broth for like soups and things like that. The last item that I purchased, I'm really excited about. This is the Coffee Sock DIY Nut Milk Kit. And this jar is a 1 quart size. And this is used to make your own homemade nut milks. So it comes with, like I said, the jar. And then this is the little nut milk bag to strain your nut milks in. And in addition to this little set here, I also just ordered an almond cow, which is a plant-based nut and seed milk maker, and I'm really excited to get that. I might be using those things together to start making my own nut milks. I'm trying to slowly steer away from dairy as much as possible. It's not that great for me, so I'm really excited to try that out. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in using my link, I'll be leaving that in the description box below. I'd love to hear what your experiences have been with Thrive Market, if you think it's worth it or not worth it. Any fun recipes that you think would be great to make with kids. I'm happy to hear all of that down in the comments below. Thank you so much again for watching and subscribing if you have, and I'll see you next time. Bye.